What's going on? The solar system faulted out. I come to find out that I had a couple settings wrong. It fried this this connector here. I got a new fuse. It's a fuse, so you got a new one coming. I had to take this off so I can get it down to work on it and put on a new end. Excuse me. All right, let's get it going. Do. This thing was melted, so I cut this off so I can cut it as close down here as possible to have all this extra slack. I disconnected it from this circuit panel right here. Let's get a little closer view. Look at that thing, it is fried. I had the amps too high. I put it back down to 30 amps so it doesn't melt this again. Got a brand new fitting. Got brand new male and female connectors. All right, so I need a female plug and a male connector. So I gotta put the male connector on the wire and then click this in. Actually, yeah. Okay. Do. Well, at least they use copper. Okay. And put this one in here. There. Sometimes it's hard to do these videos and work. Wish I had more time. I'd solder this. I gotta get this back online. Don't want to be giving my money to ComEd. Alright, we got the new man, this camera sucks. And then I'm missing the blue piece. Oh, where'd it go? Do. See here. Nah. Let's just use this one. Okay. Then this one. Ah, shoot. This ain't gonna go through. Well, I'm gonna have to go get a drill because the connector I have is bigger than what this came with. And I'm not spending any money, so I'm gonna drill this out so that connector fits. Alright, we're getting there. I'm gonna do another video with it back online, maybe put it back together. Peace.